Morning. Today we got something a little different going on. We're going to see if these two mules will pull a wagon. They've never pulled a wagon that I know of, not with me anyhow. So, what we're going to do is we're going to ground drive them and see if they do good. And if they do good, we'll stick them in front of the wagon and tie the tractor on behind or something to make sure they don't run away. And then if they start doing good, we're going to go back about 5 miles in the wilderness and pack back a big camp. And me and my dad and brothers and everybody go back there and go camp and have a ball. So, y'all stick with us. This is probably going to be pretty fun.
Yeah, need a new one there. Needs 2 or 3 more in there, but just to get it working right now. This is the major one. It's got fluid in it. Can I meet them on one of these things here? Well, the board's is long enough, I think. See if you can get that drift way off quick right there.
Terrible, ain't it, Gert?
I'm breaking in these rings.
Breaking them in? There you go. Too sure about that. Dang fire, boys, I think we got a team. Oh. Back. Yeah, it's on. Good girl. G. You
think Danny's gonna do okay?
It's just gonna explode.
Pulling, I can tell you that.
Both their lines are tight.
Yeah, I'm hoping that front of the bird's not on.
No, it ain't hitting. Look both ways. Look at him falling in there. Come on, Gertrude. I wouldn't hit her too hard. They ain't broke mules.
They're pretty good.
Are you pressing the gas any? You're not? Let off of it, see what to do. You off of it? They're pulling you? You may help them up this hill. We got a truck tied on that way in case we have a runaway. My gosh, I think they're gonna work. They're slacking that chain. What do you think?
It's gonna be all right.
See, whenever you're first figuring this stuff out, you go straight to the highway.
Yeah. Hey, it's all or nothing.
If you're gonna die, you better do it right off the bat.
I'm just glad we took these boards off the side of this so I can jump.
Yeah, well, that way that thing can gouge me in my heart and kill me. I think they're broke. Let's go to Montana.
So I can leave right now?
Yeah.
You got bedroll?
I'll tell Taryn to catch up, throw my bedroll in. You hitting your brake any?
Nope.
You're about to run up on them.
Now that's supposed to hold back. Don't worry. Gee, little. Gee, little.
What do you think?
It's gonna be all right.
So what we did is we replaced 3 or 4 floorboards and scooted his seat back. Made sure the front brakes is working. Backs ain't working. I think these mules is broke. I know we only got one of them pulling right now.
Good, Danny.
Lazy. There you go.
Oh, a little. Oh, a little. Gee, a little bit.
Pulling on them much?
Not much. Gee, a little bit. I'll just wait till we get there. We'll see.
Wish we had thrown this seat back in.
Wait, take it back up there and put it on.
I'm surprised how laid back they are about it.
Mm-hmm.
Gertrude's being lazy. It really ain't all that big of a size difference in them.
No, they ain't. Pretty close. Gee, little.
Gertrude's a little bit.
Gee, little. She's thicker.
Mm-hmm.
She'll probably outweigh Janie 75 pounds. Gee, little.
How long's it been since we had a wagon going?
4 or 5 years.
Dad had another team, and they were. When that one died? 2 years ago?
3 years ago, I think.
They were full sisters, a year apart. And the oldest one, I think she's 37 now. 36 or 37. The one that's still living.
The other one died. She was 35, I think.
Her sister died.
34, 35.
And they were pulling up till a year before they. That one mule still looks good.
My gosh, you're having to pull now. They're pulling that Ford truck up through here, too.
That helped them out. I don't want to just strain the crap out of them.
Gee, a little bit.
See, even in 2025, you got to pull a Ford.
It's doing what it's made to be. Made to be an anchor.
Good brakes. Got real good brakes. Handy. That's good for them.
Yep. They know They still ain't got the flop ear yet. They're keeping their ears back here on this jingling. I found. Gee, little.
Thing doing good, mules? Back there doing good.
Yeah. Is that staying off?
Yeah. What do you think about the mules? Huh? You like it? Gertrude's got her head down by her ankles. Hopefully slow down a little bit. Easy, mules. All right, we're loose.
I'd have my feelings about them right there, especially log truck. Slacking a little bit. Huh?
Can Sawman jump
Yeah.
on?
Yeah, come on.
Whoop. Whoa.
Easy, 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 easy. We got green mules here.
Step up.
Y'all ain't gotta lay into it like that.
Or do they think they do?
I think it's because that truck's on there.
Yeah, little. Oh man,
Yeah.
if something happens to tear loose, just jump off and jump far enough that tire won't get you.
You're like, about like a blister, ain't you? You show up after the work's all done.
Look at that. Look what my mother did.
Oh, your poor little finger.
Nothing's wrong with it.
You got 9 more.
Say that right.
Broke team of mules here. 25,000. Takes them. We're selling Gertrude and Janie.
We're not showing Janie, but I don't know about her. The reason why
All right. Mules did good. That's Sadie. Janie's over there. Mules did dang good. We're gonna go camping on mules and wagons now, so we can pack back a heck of a camp. Appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all that cool stuff. Maybe one day I won't have to work. I can just do this all the time.